I got an attitude problem, you know, like, right? No, but you do. So I couldn't imagine being a child.
Yeah.
And I'm an adult who's supposed to be able to control and adult in situations. Yeah.
I couldn't even contribute to the meeting, so I don't know how kids are expected to learn.
Yeah. Did you leave?
Yeah. I was like, sorry, it's too hot, I'm out.
Yeah, I'm going to Dairy Queen. See ya.
Pretty much.
Oh, yeah, okay, thanks, Jessica.
The fuck is wrong with
bye-bye.
you?
Yeah, and that's tough. But I guess it'd be boatloads of money to put air conditioning in.
Well, you know what though? Like,
hunting and comparing two floor plans. And I was so certain I knew the square footage. Like, you'd swear I was defending my firstborn.
What are you doing?
I sassed the hell out of him.
There are a ton of
like,
parking
he was
spots
so
available.
wrong about this. And of course, when we got home and compared, I was brutally wrong. Like, I couldn't have been more wrong. And of course, he was right. Thankfully, my boyfriend only held that over my head for like...
yes, she was building, clutch your breasts, ladies.
What
Men too,
are
you got nipples.
you doing?
She was building bunk beds when I was a kid, and you know, you build the bottom and then you lift the top one on top, and she wasn't wearing a bra, and when she sat, when they were setting the top one down,
He's just
her
staring
nipple
down,
was right
probably
at the
at his fucking phone.
where the bottom bunk bed.
Pods is the best moving and storage idea ever. Pods comes to your place, you pack at your place, then your Pods container gently cradles your precious stuff all the way to your place, or even safely stored indoors at Pods place till your new place.
There's, you know, the shield in the middle, right, which you usually have in a coat of arms, and there's a crown on top, and then there's some kind of white bird on the right.
Are you even looking?
And there's a lion on the left who has very fancy red claws. I didn't even notice that. Do you think that was intentional? Like to represent, you know, because they...
What are you doing?
And wouldn't you know that we found someone? So, now family members step forward, the Pet and Pond Warehouse. So now a pet pantry gets to store all their food there. So that's a shit.
It's the Rachel Day Show. Join the conversation. 1023 Radio.
This six says Highway 2 is just slow because of slow-ass traffic. All right. Well,
Turn signal, old man. You are slow as molasses in Yellowknife. There's nobody behind me. What the hell?
My lip starts to shake. How does she know
What the hell are you doing? What the fuck was that? Oh, and we got a jaywalker. More jaywalkers behind me. I'd have lights on if I were you. This guy's blocking the lane. Dude, what are you doing? That's a bike lane. You're parked in a bike lane. There's even a no parking sign right next to you. And you're on your phone. Wow, typical people. Wow, you're an idiot.
In 900 meters, turn left on 100 Avenue Northwest.
You need to use a blinker. What's going on here? This guy's reversing.
My car too, Gorilla Tape all the way.
And it was scary because as you pass by at a speed
You
like 80
have a
kilometers
red
an
light.
hour,
Yeah.
the wind hits it and it.
That's a red light, cyclist. Should have known you'd fail to yield. Are you pulling over there? You can't even park there. Well, that's interesting. Oh, you're an idiot. Jeez, that was awfully close.
Thankfully, my boyfriend only held that over my head for like the next week or so.
Why are you letting your
Glad
kid
you
walk
remember
down
that,
the middle
though,
of the
right?
aisle?
There is a bit of shame, especially when you're hard-nosed about something. Brian in the South, the opposite story. I didn't listen to my wife, and I bought a Mighty Millions lottery ticket for the Stollery. Huh. I'm sure she didn't have any qualms about supporting the Stollery, but those tickets are $100
Oh
a
my
pop,
God.
right? Maybe even more. I won $25,000. It felt good to be right for once.
A year. Some conditions apply.
Dude,
This is
are you
Dr.
fucking
Joseph Payne,
serious?
founding surgeon at King LASIK. When it comes to improving something as important as your vision, experience truly counts. I've performed over 100,000 LASIK surgeries throughout my career, and I myself have had the procedure. So I
think you might
say with
be drunk.
confidence, on behalf of the entire team here at King LASIK, that when you're ready to free yourself from glasses and contacts, you couldn't be in better hands. For a free consultation, visit kinglasik.ca.
To book your free, no-obligation consultation.
Don't. Jesus. He's running alongside my car? Dog. Dog. No. What are you doing? What the hell is this? Covered in tape? Shit!